What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, owner of Modern Pro Polish here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. So for today's why you should get into paint correction, I want to focus on the fact that when people see that you can make a car this shiny, they think you can make anything shine. And you'll start getting random requests where some that seem out of place may end up being a new niche for you. I had one of my guys once upon a time ask me if I could polish out a wood table that he built. And I told him, man, I don't do anything having to do with wood. I deal with cars, that's it. And he told me that he built the table and he painted it, and if I messed it up, he'd redo it again. I said, okay. And man, I applied the same principles that I do on paint to this wooden table. And I can't remember what type of clear was on that table, but the polishes held, the wet sanding worked, and man, the table was crazy by the time I got done with it. The gloss was insane. So who knows what somebody might come and approach you about polishing. Somebody might ask you, hey, can you polish jewelry? And you're like, hey, I have no clue, but you just test it out. And you might end up having a whole clientele simply bringing you their jewelry to polish because nobody else can clean like you. I mean, even in the sneaker community, when I go into some of these sneaker stores, it's pretty crazy that they don't have our detailing products sitting on the counter, but a bottle of, say, Griot's Garage interior cleaner or interior detailer is my go-to shoe cleaner. Or Sonax's micro suede and Alcantara cleaner. Man, you can clean up a pair of shoes with that stuff, but it's just not advertised as such. So you could have the sneaker world bringing you stuff, who knows? So if there's something out there that you're interested in or you're already a part of outside of detailing, test out some of the products on what you're interested in, and you might not have to wait for people to bring you the questions. You can just throw it out there, hey, we can also do this, because some of these things nobody would ever even think of asking you about whether or not you can make them look right. So that's another reason to get into paint correction. You just start to see what else you can apply these products to or these principles to. You might even have to switch up the products for whatever it may be in that industry. Say with that wood table, if the polishes didn't work that I use on paint on that table, if the clear would not have taken the polishes properly, I can still apply those principles from what I know in detailing and paint correction and go find the products that are specifically for that table or for that clear and make it happen. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. The paint and whatever else is waiting on you. Peace. Hey, if you enjoyed that content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button for all the Pro Polisher Academy videos when they pop up. And we've created a merch line for you guys, the Modern Pro & Co lineup, and today I'm wearing the Breeders of Ingenuity shirt. And necessity breeds ingenuity. And in this industry, I've had to come up with a lot of my own inventions just to get to where I'm at today. So we also spell ingenuity with an E as opposed to an I, just as an ode to the automotive industry and the love of motors, engines, etc. So go check out the merch line, links in the description. We'll see you guys later. Peace.